Hello, please help.
Emergency services. What is your emergency?
My friend just collapsed. I need an ambulance.
Okay, stay calm. Can you tell me your location?
Yes, I'm at 124 Oak Street, near the corner store.
Thank you. Is your friend conscious?
No, she's not moving or responding.
Is she breathing?
I think so, but very slowly.
Check if her chest is rising and falling.
Yes, it is, but it's very shallow.
Okay, help is on the way. Please stay with me.
Please hurry. I'm really scared.
I understand. You're doing great. Is she injured?
I don't see any injuries. She just collapsed suddenly.
Was she doing anything unusual before it happened?
No, we were just watching TV.
Does she have any known medical conditions?
She has asthma, but it hasn't been bad lately.
Okay. How old is she?
She's 22.
Is she taking any medication?
Yes, for asthma and anxiety.
Can you gently place her on her back?
Okay, I did that.
Good. Is her airway clear?
Yes, I think so.
Do you know CPR?
No, not really.
That's okay. I can guide you.
Wait, I think she's starting to move. That's a good sign. Talk to her, say her name. Sarah, Sarah, can you hear me?
Is she responding?
Her eyes are slightly open.
That's very promising. Keep her comfortable.
The ambulance is coming, right?
Yes, they're on their way and close.
Thank you so much.
Of course. How are you doing?
I'm still shaking, but I'll be okay.
That's completely normal. You did well calling quickly.
Should I try to give her water?
No, not yet. Let's wait for the...
Okay, got it?
Is anyone else there with you?
No, it's just me and her.
You're doing a great job. Just stay calm.
She's trying to speak.
Can you understand what she's saying?
She said what happened.
Let her know she fainted and help is coming.
Sarah, you fainted. The ambulance is on the way.
Is she more alert now?
A little. She's trying to sit up.
Ask her to stay lying down for now.
Okay, Sarah, just stay down.
The paramedics will check her thoroughly.
I hear the sirens.
Excellent. Go to the door and let them in.
Okays.
Stay on the line if you can.
I opened the door. They're coming in.
Let them take over now.
They're checking her pulse.
Perfect. You did your part.
Thank you again for helping me through this.
You were very brave. You might have saved her life.
I just panicked at first.
That's okay. You reacted quickly.
Can I follow them to the hospital?
Yes, the paramedics will guide you.
Thank you for staying with me.
Always here to help. Take care.
Bye.
Goodbye, and stay safe.
Hello, I'd like to speak with someone about a billing issue.
Of course, sir. I'd be happy to help. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is David Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. Can you confirm your account number?
Sure, it's 849133978C22.
Got it. One moment while I pull up your account.
Thank you.
All right, I see your information here. How can I assist you today?
I was charged twice for the same service this month.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check your billing history.
Thank you.
Yes, I see two identical charges on your statement.
Exactly. I only authorized one payment.
I understand your concern. It looks like a system error.
Can this be fixed today?
I'll do my best to resolve it right now.
I'd prefer not to wait for days.
Absolutely. I'm issuing a refund for the duplicate charge.
Great. How long will it take to reflect in my account?
It usually takes 3 to 5 business days.
All right. Will I get a confirmation email?
Yes, it will be sent to your registered email address.
Perfect. I appreciate your help.
No problem. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, yes, I'd like to update my phone number.
Certainly. What's your new number?
It's 55590-1183.
Thank you. I've updated that in our system.
Will I get a text confirming the change?
Yes, within the next 10 minutes.
Excellent. Also, can I get a copy of my last invoice?
I can email that to you right now.
That would be helpful.
Sent. Let me know if you don't receive it.
Got it. That was fast. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're always happy to help.
This has been much easier than I expected.
I'm glad to hear that.
I had a hard time last time I called.
I apologize for that. We're working to improve our service.
It's definitely better today.
That means a lot. Thank you.
Is this issue officially resolved now?
Yes, the refund is processed and the number is updated.
Great. I'll keep an eye on my bank.
Please do. Contact us again if anything seems off.
Will do.
Also, for future support, you can use our mobile app.
I didn't know you had one.
Yes, it's available on iOS and Android.
I'll download it today.
Perfect. It's very convenient.
One last thing. Can I set up paperless billing?
Yes, I can enable that for you now.
Please do.
Done. You'll receive bills by email from now on.
That's great.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for now.
Thank you for calling.
Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.